The WPT45 powered pallet truck is Big Joe's heavy-duty solution for moving pallets. Built tough with a unitized all-steel wraparound frame, the WPT45 can move 4,500-pound loads with ease. A powerful AC drive motor, robust hydraulics, heavy-duty transmission, and reliable Zappi AC0 controller make the WPT45 an exceptional tool for high-cycle work, such as dock applications. Built with easy service in mind, the WPT45's top and bottom maintenance covers can easily be removed for good access to all internal components, which are well laid out inside the chassis. One look under the hood, and it is easy to see how the simple, high-quality construction of WPT45 can outperform and outlast its competition. While built tough for the rigors of work, the WPT45 is also a very agile machine, having the ability to perform pinwheel turns with very accurate and smooth operator controls. The WPT45 has a low-mounted tiller and 180-degree steering arc that makes turning the unit easy and effective. Travel control is likewise highly accurate, with infinitely variable travel speed and the ability to operate in a creep speed mode for controlled operation in tight spaces. The unit's ergonomic control head features controls for forward and reverse travel, lift, lower, and horn. Standard features on the WPT45 include a belly button reversing switch, emergency power disconnect, battery discharge indicator, key switch, and a 224 amp-hour AGM battery pack with integral 120-volt charger that provides reliable maintenance-free power. Stability casters, industrial batteries, cold conditioning, and other application-based options are also available. If you need a heavy-duty machine to move pallets, choose the Big Joe WPT45 powered pallet truck. It is built tough and is up to the task of doing hard work fast.